0. They pass on the run. Almost losing the ball. Big pass to jersey number 11. That's a big goal. There's a whistle foul with jersey number 8. That is the first foul. The second foul. Second team foul. 16 seconds shot clock. 16 seconds to shoot. 12 seconds shot clock. Jersey number 6. Intercept. Jersey number 21. 6 minutes exactly to play. Jersey number 15. Pass to Richard. Jersey number 18. Nice play. Next up. Jersey number 6. 14 seconds shot clock. 14 seconds to shoot. Jersey number 18, jersey number 3. Jersey number 6. 5 minutes and 45 seconds away. That's a game. Jump ball.
Pasado na po na.
Okay. Patay po. Subdivision. Number 15, I think jersey number 4, man. Stop ball to jersey number 18. Jersey number 8. Following shot is good. Bottom corner rebound about jersey number 15. 4 minutes and 55 seconds play. Under 5 minutes to play. Score 8-4, 72. Jersey number 15. You got pass to jersey number 0. Jersey number 0 puts it up. It's good. Bottom corner ball. Long rebound about jersey number 15. And jersey number 4 makes that jumper. It's good. Secure the rebound by jersey number 18, but there's a whistle ball between jersey number 0. Jersey number 0, warning for foul down. Substitution, penalty. Shot is so good. 4 minutes and 36 seconds. Ready score 84-72. Saying the last one for jersey number 8. John was ready.